So this is Embedded Systems Lab 2, Zybo board. You can see the LED count is incrementing by 1. Going to depress button 0 and button 1 at the same time, and we will see that task LED is suspended. So then if button 2 is depressed, regardless of the status of button 0 and 1, for example, they're pushed down, then LED task is resumed. I'm going to push it down now. You can see the task resumes, all 3 buttons pushed. Now it's suspended again. Now it will resume. Button 3 is depressed, then the switch task is going to be suspended. For example, it's supposed to, if the switch task were not suspended, it would suspend the LED task when I push switch 3, but it doesn't. But now I'm going to release button 3 and see that the switch task will be resumed, meaning that the switch, the LEDs will, the third switch is supposed to suspend the LEDs, so that means it was resumed. And then switches 0 and 1 are going to be on together, and then this will suspend the button tasks. For example, 0 and 1, the button task is supposed to suspend the LEDs, but it doesn't because it's suspending the button task. And then switch 0 and 1 are off, so then the button task will resume, meaning that these 2 will suspend the LED task. Switch 3 is on, then task LED is suspended, and then switch 3 off, task LED is resumed. We'll do a second pass of these conditions. So 0 and 1 press together, so it's suspended, 2 press with them, it continues, 2 is pressed, it's suspended again, and then the buttons are released and it continues, the LED task will continue. And then button 3 depressed, then the switch task is suspended, meaning that switch 3 won't suspend the LEDs, which that's correct. And then when I release the button, it will suspend them, goes back off. Button 3 depress, release. And then switch 0 and 1 are on. The button task is suspended, meaning that 0 and 1 pressed together won't suspend anything, but then it will resume. I'm going to turn the switch off, and switch 3 suspends LED tasks. And that's it.